Dear students, good evening everybody. God bless you children. Today's moral verse Psalm 35:2. Take hold of shield and buckler and stand up for mine help. நீர் கேடகத்தையும் பரிசையையும் பிடித்து எனக்கு ஒத்தாசையாக எழுந்து நில்லும். Let us do prayer children. பரலோகத்தில் இருக்கிற எங்கள் பிதாவே, உம்முடைய நாமம் பரிசுத்தப்படுவதாக. ஆண்டவரே, இந்த அருமையான நேரத்திற்காக உமக்கு நாங்கள் நன்றி சொல்லுகிறோம். நல்ல நாளை எங்களுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிறீர், சமாதானத்தை கொடுத்திருக்கிறீர். அதற்காக உமக்கு நாங்கள் நன்றி சொல்லுகிறோம். ஆண்டவரே, என்னுடைய வகுப்பு பிள்ளைகளை ஆசீர்வதியும். 3rd A1 3rd A2 பிள்ளைகளை ஆசீர்வதியும். அவரவர் குடும்பத்தையும் நீர் ஆசீர்வதியும். ஆண்டவரே, பிள்ளைகளுக்கு ஞானத்தை தந்து அவர்களுக்கு எல்லா ஐஸ்வர்யத்தையும் கொடுத்து ஆசீர்வதியும். தகப்பனே, பள்ளி குழந்தைகள் ஒவ்வொருவரையும் பேர் பேராய் ஆசீர்வதியும். LKG முதல் 12ஆம் வகுப்பு வரை அவர்களை வழிநடத்தும். எங்கள் வேலைகளை நாங்கள் ஒழுங்காய் செய்ய நீர் எங்களுக்கு உதவி செய்யும். இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸை நீர் ஆசீர்வதியும். எங்கள் தேவைகள் எல்லாவற்றையும் பூர்த்தி செய்யும். துதி கனம் மகிமை எல்லாவற்றையும் உமக்கு செலுத்துகிறோம். இயேசுவின் நாமத்தின் மூலமாய் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறோம் ஜீவனுள்ள பிதாவே. ஆமென். Children, today we are going to continue the lesson, the historical places. Already we finished up to 79 and also I revised in second video. Today we will continue the lesson. All of you take your page number 78. But before that I want to tell you what we saw in previous class. Yes, Chandru and shopkeeper were converse with one another about the historical places. So what we learnt from this lesson? We saw seashore temple, Pandava Rathas, these monuments in Mahabalipuram in Chennai. Are you understand children? Yes. And also Fort George, St. George Museum, and also in Chennai, Thiruvalluvar statue, Vivekananda rock, everything is in Kanyakumari. So that also we saw in our book. I know everyone learnt up to 79, page up to 79. The Kanyakumari rock in surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Are you understand children? Yes. Now we will continue the page number 80. All of you take your page number 80. We will continue. Chandru points to a picture on the chart. Chandru points to a picture on the chart. Here they given two pictures. One is Tanjavur Periya Kovil. The next one is Nandi. Tanjavur Periya Kovil is in, where is it? It is in Tanjavur. Nandi is also inside the temple. Here Chandru asked, what is the name of this temple? He asked to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper said, this is very famous Tanjavur Periya Kovil, also known as Pragadishwara temple. What is the name of the temple? Pragadishwara temple. Bradeshwara. Pragadishwara temple. But everyone is telling Tanjavur Periya Kovil. Again Chandru, who built it? He asked to shopkeeper. Shopkeeper said, it was built by Rajaraja Cholan. Rajaraja Cholan. Do you know that? The Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. நந்தி உள்ள இருக்க நந்தி சிங்கிள் ஸ்டோன், அதாவது ஒரே ஒரு பாறையினால் கட்டப்பட்டது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இது யார் கட்டினது? ராஜராஜ சோழர் காலத்தில் கட்டப்பட்ட ஒரு பெரிய கோவில். Again, Chandru asked, "Is it?" Then shopkeeper said, "Yes. Another interesting fact about the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground." Children, already I told you the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. And the main temple, அந்த கோவிலுடைய நிழல் தரையிலேயே படாத அளவுக்கு அது ரொம்ப மகத்துவமாக கட்டப்பட்டிருக்கு. Again, I want to read the sentence. Another interesting fact about the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. Chandru said, "How wonderful! It is so interesting to see them. I would like to go there." நாங்கள் போக போகிறேன், பார்க்கணுன்னு எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆசையாக இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவன் என்ன சொல்கிறான்? It is so interesting to see them. I would like to go there. Children, are you understand? What is this? Yes, this is Tanjavur Periya Kovil and Nandi. Nandi is inside the temple. It was built by Rajaraja Cholan, and also that Nandi is only single stone. It built using a single stone. Are you understand, children? Yes. Next, all of you take page number 81. Here, shopkeeper said, "Yes, you must visit. I have gone there when I was a child and I would like to go there again." Shopkeeper என்ன சொன்னார்? எஸ், இது கட்டாயம் பார்க்க வேண்டிய ஒரு இடம். நான் சின்ன வயசில் பார்த்ததுனால இப்போ எனக்கும் அதை பார்க்கணுன்னு விருப்பமாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். Who said this word? Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper to Chandru. Here, think. Have you seen the carving at monument or temple? Children, I am also asking you, have you seen the carving at monument or a temple? Here, if you want to see, if you like to see, you go to Mahabalipuram. It is in Chennai, near Chennai. It is excellent job many people are doing in Mahabalipuram. There are many shops are there, and also people were doing this carving of monuments and temple also. Any statues, if they need, they will carve nicely in the rock. If you want, you can go to Mahabalipuram. There are many shops and you will enjoy, children. Here, activities are given. Discuss with your friends and write down your favorite tourist places in Tamil Nadu. Discuss with your friends and write down your favorite tourist places in Tamil Nadu. See, children, you will discuss your friends, but now you can't discuss with your friends. You discuss with your parents. What are the places, tourist places in Tamil Nadu? Not only this, if you know any other places, you can write in this page. Are you understand, children? Yes. Now we are going to next page 82. Page number 82. Now wonderful picture is here. This is called Jinji Fort. This is called Jinji Fort. It is in Viluppuram district. Children, this is also very old kingdom. Chandru asked, this is the last picture on the chart and it looks like a fort. It looks like a fort. Shopkeeper said, yes, you are correct. This is Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district. This is Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district. Chandru said, wow, is it? Shopkeeper said, yes, this is one of the oldest forts in Tamil Nadu. This fort in Tamil Nadu, which is oldest fort. Okay, children? Yes. Chandru said, I can also see hills. I would like to see the Jinji Fort. Here, they given two pictures. The one is Jinji King Fort. The other one is Jinji Queen Fort. I think there are two forts are there. That is Jinji Fort, King Fort and Queen Fort. See how it is. Excellent places are there. So children, if you want to see, you go and watch everything. These are the places, historical places in our Tamil Nadu. Shopkeeper said, all of us must visit these places as they have so much history behind and we must take pride in them. Shopkeeper என்ன சொல்றாரு, இந்த பிளேஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம கட்டாயம் பார்க்க வேண்டிய இடம். இதை பார்க்கும் பொழுது அதாவது இதற்கு பின்னாடி நிறைய பெரிய வரலாறு இருக்கு. இந்த ஃபோர்ட், இந்த கோட்டைக்கு பின்னாடி நிறைய கதை இருக்கு. எந்த ராஜா வாழ்ந்தாங்க, எந்த ராணி இந்த இடத்துல இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பெரிய கதை இருக்கு. இதை நினச்சி நாம் பெருமைப்படக்கூடிய ஒரு இடமா இருக்கு. That's what he is telling. What he said, all of us must visit these places as they have so much history behind and we must take pride in them. Now page number 83. Now shopkeeper said, that is nice. Please take Tamil Nadu monument chart and sketch pens. What shopkeeper said? Please take Tamil Nadu chart, a monument chart and sketch pens. Chandru said, yes, I will hang it in my house and talk about it to all my friends. Thank you, uncle. What Chandru said? I will hang it in my house and talk about it to all my friends. Dear children, you also discuss about these historical places with one another. Then only you will get more knowledge. Now we finish this lesson. Here they given a glossary, architecture. What is mean by architecture? The art of making buildings is called architecture. The art of making buildings is called architecture. For example, Tanjavur temple. Okay, children? Yes. Next one is monuments. What is mean by monuments? A building, structure or site that is of historical importance. a building structure or site that is of historical importance. These are very important. Historical importance. So where we see more monuments in museum. Here also already I told you museum in Chennai, Egmore. So if you want, you go there and watch. Monuments and historical things are there. The third one is museum. Here just now I said they given museum, place of exhibition. Place of exhibition. What are the things? No, old things and old monuments, historical things, everything they only kept and keep safely. Only government only doing this one. Are you understand, children? Yes. Now recap. There is a history behind every monument. Yes. Second one is monuments in Mahabalipuram were built by Pallavas. The third one is Fort St. George is the first English fort in India. The fourth one is Thiruvalluvar statue is situated in Kanyakumari. Tanjavur Periya Kovil was built by Rajaraja Cholan. The last one is Jinji Fort in Viluppuram district. Now we finished the lesson, children. In next class I will give you the notes. You will copy down in your classwork. Are you understand, children? Now we finish the historical places first unit. In Friday I will give you the notes. You will copy down in your classwork. Are you understand, children? Yes. Students, now in GK I want to give an assignment. Page number 25 and 26. Page number 25 and 26. Already we finished up to 24. Now we will do page number 25 and 26. All of you take your page number. Be environment friendly. Be environment friendly. Yes. Complete these sentences with words from the box. Some of the children are doing the right thing. Put a tick for them. Put a cross for those who are doing the wrong thing. Children, you will finish page number 25 and 26. Clean and green. The topic is clean and green. These are the assignment for you in this week. You will finish it and learn everything. Are you understand, children? Yes. Now we will continue in next class. Thank you, children. Bye.